Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming who owns the file and preparing credentials. Use LSL or STAT to check current owner and group, then decide the new owner by username or numeric UID. Make sure you have sudo or root access. If not, stop and obtain permission. Once done, construct the chown command with the desired user and optional group and point it at a single file or directory path. This gets you ready to change ownership safely. Now you execute the change. Run sudo chown user, group/path for a single target, or sudo chown user/path when group is not needed. If you must change many files inside a directory, add R to recurse, but test on a small folder first to avoid wide mistakes. Use numeric UID, GID when migrating files between systems that have different username maps. Once the command completes, immediately verify ownership with LSL or STAT to ensure it applied correctly. Finish by verifying results. Run LSL or STAT on changed files to confirm both owner and group. If you see permission denied, make sure you used sudo or root and check for immutable or append-only flags via lsatter. Clear flags if appropriate. For large sets with varied ownership, use find with exec or zargs to avoid argument limits and to target specific file types. If ownership still looks wrong, recheck UID/GID mapping and rerun with numeric ID to resolve discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.